Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'll be using goat's milk melt and pour soap base and just using the double boiler method as always. So I'm gonna do this a little differently than how I usually do it. Because I will be doing a turmeric activated charcoal soap, I'm gonna put it in 2 different containers only because I want to have everything already in it, like the oils and the powder in it when I pour the goat's milk, the melted soap base in it. Because it solidifies so quickly, I'll have to move like super speed for it not to harden on me. So to do that, I'm just gonna use 2 Pyrex dish here, like two glass dishes, to just mix it out. Try to get all my ingredients in, so when I pour my soap base in, I could just work as quickly as possible to pour it in my soap mold. So now I'm just pouring the melted soap base into both containers that already has the oils and the powder. And as I said before, you have to work quickly because this starts to solidify in seconds. So I'm just like whisking away, and just make sure you have your soap mold ready to go. Now you're just gonna let this sit for 4 to 6 hours, and then your soap is ready for you to use. And this is how we're looking right now. So I'm just gonna use a saran wrap to individually wrap these soap bars. And you can give these as gifts. You could just like have them for yourself in the house. And you know me and the labels. I love messing around and making these labels. So this is my turmeric activated charcoal label that I really like. And I'm just showing you how I tie it. It's pretty simple, guys. Just clean it up a little bit, and this is how we're looking. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. As always, I appreciate you. Do subscribe to see more videos like this one, and like and share this video. Let me know if you're gonna try this soap, and have a good one, guys.